we breathe every second. How would you like your breath to work harder for you, to help you stay healthy and younger? Hello, welcome back to the video series on how to do Zhanzhuang or standing meditation. This is lesson 2, and in this lesson our focus is on breathing. In the last lesson we talked about how you can position yourself so that you can align yourself in such a way that your body becomes a more efficient irrigation system for the flow of qi energy, so that it can nourish your body. Just like a tree nourishes its body with water and nutrients. I hope you have found the lesson useful. Do leave the comment below to let me know how I can help you better. The information is important to me, and so thank you very much. And in this lesson, our focus is on how to breathe. To help you do that, I would like you to focus on 3 things. Number 1 is the way that you position your hands or your arms. And number 2 is to know the importance of Dantian. In fact, it's somewhere in the lower abdomen where the qi energy is stored. And number 3 is how to breathe. Alright, so let's talk about the position first. Now, a lot of people associate standing meditation to this posture. You know, you have your 2 arms in front and holding something like a ball of energy. Well, this is a typical way of doing standing meditation, but it is very important for you to realize that it is just one of the ways. Zhanzhuang is a foundation for many schools of martial arts, and each has its own posture, its own forms. So, you know, there are many ways. It depends on the kind of objective you want to achieve. So you can do it this way. You can do it like what we did during the last lesson, which is to put the 2 arms on the sides, or you can do what I'm going to talk about in a while, putting the 2 palms on your belly button. When you are doing that, take note. Number 1 is that there's a acupoint on your palm, which is in the center of your palm, known as Lao Gong. The Lao Gong has to be connected to your belly button. Alright? And here there's a Lao Gong as well. You connect the Lao Gong of this palm to the palm below and start breathing. But do beware that for men, you should put your left palm inside and right palm outside. And for the women, right palm inside and left palm outside. This is known as 男左女右 in the Qigong exercise. Alright, okay. So the second thing is that why do you put your palms there? That's because, you know, right below is the Dantian. Dantian is a very important part of our body as far as Qigong exercise is concerned, because it is the reservoir of the qi energy. The qi energy is stored there, processed there. So you must be aware of that position, because in a while when you're doing breathing, you would use your inner view and also your ear to hear and see how the energy goes all the way to the Dantian. But where is Dantian? Dantian is in the lower abdomen, as I mentioned just now. And to be more precise, it's about 3 fingers below your belly button and then 2 fingers inside. This is one way to describe it, but don't worry about it because you don't have to be very precise about it. The reason is that Dantian is an area, it's not an acupoint. So, you know, it's something like the size of a fist. So, you know, it can be an inch further or an inch to the left or right, that's okay. You just know that it's in the lower abdomen below the belly button, and not just on the surface, but a little bit inside. Number 3 is how to breathe. For most people, we tend to breathe with our chest, but when we are doing Qigong and standing meditation, we would like to breathe with our tummy. Instead of bringing the air that we breathe to the chest and then exhale, we bring it down to our belly. So it goes further down. Well, the air would not really be in the tummy, but you know, through the movement of the diaphragm, massage the lower part of your abdomen, and it is a very important process of making your qi energy to move more effectively. Now, when we breathe with our chest, your chest expands. When you exhale, chest contract. But when you are doing belly breathing, when you breathe in, it goes to the tummy, so your tummy would expand. And when you exhale, your tummy would contract. Try doing it together. All right, so inhale, your tummy expand. Exhale, your tummy contract. When you are breathing this way, the capacity of your breath goes a lot bigger, and it is very good for health, and it is how to keep yourself stronger and healthier. So it is not only good for your standing meditation exercise, it's actually a very good habit or good technique to help you breathe better in life. Okay, so now we are going to put the 3 things together, and let's begin the exercise. Like what we did in the last lesson, we align our body, shoulder with the 2 feet, and the crown with the bottom. Right. Close your eyes. Relax your head. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. Relax your chest. Relax your back. Relax your abdomen. Relax the hips and 2 thighs. Relax the knees. Relax the feet. Relax. Relax. Now slowly bring your 2 hands to your tummy. Inhale. Bring the air to your tummy so your tummy expands when you breathe in. Exhale. Your belly contract. Inhale. Your belly expand. Exhale. Your belly contract. Now use your 2 ears to listen to the breath. You can be totally quiet. You don't breathe with sound, but you can still hear the breath. If you can do that, you are totally focused. Inhale. Exhale. Now use your eyes to look innerly to the expansion of your tummy. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do this for the next 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but still half an hour. And then slowly open your eyes. Well, do this every day. Try it for the next few days, and then let me know how you feel and whether you have any questions. And then we'll go on to another lesson on how to relax the vital parts of your body. And till then, see you again soon, and thank you very much for being with me.